Okay, so recently why am I facing that way? I'll put this link in the description, and you can get all of these bundles. Well, this first one, wait a minute, Peyton. Hold on, you guys want to see where I'm going with this? We can make the baller meme. Take off the hair. Alright, let's make him yellow. The left legs or this black one, I'm not sure, but I think I got it wrong last time. But what if you take off the head? Let's see what happens. Oh my god. You can wear the check-it face if you have no Robux and if you're poor. And boom, there we go. We made a realistic baller avatar. I just realized we can make a realistic bacon hair avatar. The hair, we need the bacon hair, right? Boom. Oh my god, look at that forehead, bro. Change the skin tone, of course, to the white. And boom, there you go. We made a realistic looking bacon hair. Now we can also make noob avatars, alright? So this is what a noob would look like if it was an anime. There you go. Yeah, those are the avatar tricks. Subscribe, please subscribe. I need